Welcome to the Move Over Limit Vehicles Efficiently main system, also known as MoveMe, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through how to order a new permit in MoveMe at movememain.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the MoveMe user tutorial videos link. To order a new permit, you must click the New Permit link, and MoveMe will display two options. If you're unsure which permit you need, click I need help choosing the permit. MoveMe will display the permit wizard, which will ask you a series of questions and recommend the permit that best fits your needs. If you know which permit you need, click I know which permit I need, and MoveMe will display the Order Permit screen. This screen will display all of your contact information that will appear on the permit. You can update the contact information at this time if necessary. The primary delivery method is how you would like your permit delivered. Choose Web Download to get the permit directly from the dashboard, choose Fax to have the permit faxed, or choose Email to have the permit sent to your inbox. Company reference is an optional field on the permit application that enables users to associate a permit to a particular job, job number, or other internal tracking. If information is entered in the company reference field, users will be able to perform a search for all permits associated to that reference. This option is not required and has been provided as a service to MoveMe companies. Select the trip type from the drop-down list. Based on the trip type selected, a trip subtype option may be required. For this tutorial, we will be ordering a single with no subtype. Once the trip type has been selected, today's date will populate in the From field. If you want the start date to be later than today, click in the From field and select the desired date from the calendar display. Based on the type of permit and selected start date, the To field will be automatically populated. Click the Next button to advance to the Truck and Load screen. This screen will allow you to enter information about the vehicle and load. Based on the permit type chosen, a power unit or trailer may be required. Click the Change link under the Specific Power Unit Specific Trailer to display the No Trailer and Specific Trailer radio buttons. This selection populates the vehicle types available and determines if trailer information is required on the permit application. If the Specific Power Unit No Trailer radio button is selected, the trailer line is grayed out and no trailer information can be entered. The vehicle types available for this selection are SME Class A and B, SME Out of State, or Straight Truck. If the Specific Power Unit Specific Trailer radio button is selected, the trailer line is available and trailer information must be entered. The vehicle types available for this selection are Tractor Semi-Trailer and Truck Trailer. If vehicles are already saved in company data, a vehicle can be chosen from the Vehicle Inventory drop-down list. MoveMe will pre-populate the known information about the vehicle into the associated fields. If there are no previously uploaded vehicles, the vehicle information will need to be entered manually. Enter the unit number, if there is one, the year, the make, the VIN, the license plate number, the state for which the vehicle is plated, and the registered GVW in the appropriate fields. Select the vehicle type being permitted from the Vehicle Type drop-down list. The commodity type and load description are required fields. Select a commodity type and load description from the drop-down lists. If the other selection is chosen from the load description drop-down list, a specific load description entry is required. For this example, we will select construction equipment as the commodity type and bulldozer as the load description. For each loaded unit, you must attest that the load is a single unit or that hauling multiple items does not create an additional overdimension. The divisible load cannot be stacked in such a fashion that it causes a particular dimension to become over the legal limit. Next, you will enter the load parameters, which includes the loaded width, height, length, front and rear overhang, axle count, and loaded weight. You will also need to select a trailer length range from the drop-down list. For more information on entering axle weights, there is a separate video located on the login page for setting axle weights and spacings. In order to advance to the next screen, you must check the box stating, I attest that all vehicles being used are properly registered in accordance with applicable motor vehicle laws. Click the Next button to advance to the next screen. The Enter a Route screen will be displayed. This is where an origin and destination will be entered. There are several ways to enter your origin and destination, such as by address, intersection, border crossing, lat lawn map, and landmark. For this permit, we will choose border crossing from the origin and destination drop-down lists. Once the origin and destination have been entered, click the Validate and Run button to generate a route. The origin is pinned with the green O, the route is marked with the blue line, and the destination is pinned with the red D. For more information on routing and routing features, there's a routing tutorial video on the login page. Listed under the routing map, you will see the load dimensions used during routing, a route description containing an abbreviated route, and driving directions, which include the turn-by-turn directions, distance, and estimated time of travel. If there are any problems with the route and the application needs to be reviewed, click the I have a problem with the route and would like it reviewed checkbox located above the map. In the empty text field, enter the reason explaining why you would like the route reviewed. This will send the permit application to the permit office for review. Click the Next button to continue the order permits process. The permit summary screen will be displayed, providing a summary of the application including the cost of the permit being ordered, the load and dimensions, and the route directions. Please thoroughly review all information for accuracy. Attest that you've read and understand all the legal requirements for ordering a permit within MoveMe by clicking the associated checkbox. Click the Submit button to proceed to the Permit Submission Successful screen. The Permit Submission Successful screen will be displayed. If the permit is self-issue and not submitted for further review, you can click the Pay for the Permits Now link. This link is only available for self-issue permits. You can also order another permit or return to the dashboard. For this tutorial, we will select the Pay for the Permits Now link. The Pay for Permits screen will be displayed. Please verify that the permits listed are those that were selected for purchase. Click the Pay for Verified Permits button to continue the payment process, or click the Cancel button to return to the company dashboard. The payment information screen will be displayed. Select the payment method from the drop-down list and click the Submit button. If billing account is selected, the payment will immediately be processed. If credit card is selected, you will be redirected from MoveMe to the credit card processor site. Please note that while a credit card payment is processing, do not use the forward or back buttons on your browser. If paying by billing account, the issued permit screen will be displayed. The permit number will be displayed as a hyperlink to the permit PDF that can be printed or emailed as necessary. If you previously selected your delivery method as fax or email, the permit will be sent at this time. Any routing and special instructions will be printed on the permit, along with turn-by-turn routing directions with distance and estimated time of travel. This concludes the MoveMe user tutorial video on how to order a permit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.